Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Charles White back here at it again. This time I'm making a tutorial video, short tutorial video on Facebook. I'm gonna show you guys how to get your Facebook profile link. So with that being said, let's get into it. So you are on Facebook right now. I'm home. And what you want to do, go to the bottom, which says friends, notifications, and feeds, and marketplace menu right there. You want to go to menu, and once you are in menu, you want to go to your profile, which is your name, Carlos Ovalle. See your profile. Now, once you're in here, you want to go to these dots right here where I have my little widget. I'm moving it right here on the bottom. These dots. Click on these dots next to where it says edit profile. And right on the bottom you will see your profile link easily right there. You can copy your link, and that's how you do it, easy. So if this video was educational, if you found this video educational, like, comment, and do subscribe for more. Alright.